Here's the spoon.
Did you make me something?
Yeah.
What did you make?
Eggs. Spicy eggs.
Is this breakfast or dinner?
It's breakfast.
Oh.
I pressing the button up here, and this is if it's too spicy, you drop the spoon. Then I could get the cupcakes out. They're not too spicy. Wait a little bit spicy. It'll really spicy, but no, a little bit spicy.
Spicy cupcakes?
No, look at the cupcakes. They're not really spicy, but